Pray for better days, now I'm making my way. It was hard to cope, I never lost hope. That's all I know, they can't control. They just some trolls. Slow my roll, that's a stove, that's how it goes. Can't nobody poke, I ain't never been down. It's kill or be killed, and it's bright, and that's okay. Living life for the day, grinding, elevating. Y'all can keep on hating. Diamond in the rough, I rose above. I never slowed down, on the down I rise. I made my name, I'm raised in pain. The world's colder, but I'm a soldier. Thoughts unwinding, I'm grinding, ain't no looking back. Bills on my back, never giving up. I grew up, diamonds every day. I won't let them sway, keep the cash flow steady. I ain't got time to play. No time for flopping, getting non-stop. I ain't dropping, I ain't stopping. Can't hear the sound, no room for delay. Call a hustle all day. I won't back down, proud through the town, I'm stacking it high. Ready for a fight, diamond shining bright. We on top, that's where I came from. Success and fame, now I'm getting paid. Get rich quick, we ain't ever gonna quit. We all making mistakes, I got no breaks. Staying one step ahead, dodging all the chasing that green, sipping on tea. Never gonna slow, can't nobody thieve. Won't be naive, can't deceive. Never accept defeat, and the heat. Had to hustle just to eat. I won't retreat, I got big dreams to meet. Living lavish, I can't compete.